So in this video I am discuss about string convert into enum. String convert into enum. So this is the enum. Now create on this enum months. Okay, and now we're gonna create on this function. Suppose this is a func string. Sorry, convert into enum. Sorry, string convert into enum. And in this str, which is type of parameter of string, and return on this month, return on this array of months. Let st string local variable is equal to str dot component comma separated. Okay, comma separated, otherwise empty array. Now we're gonna apply on this compact map and filtering on this compact map. So let stInsert is equal to st string dot compact map, and this is type of array of strings. Okay, compact map. Now convert on this string, not a array of string, comma separated string. Convert on this comma separated string. Compact map, apply on this compact integer, convert on this integer $0, convert on this integer $0. Okay, now we're gonna apply on the dot compact, and this is type of array of integer. Now apply on this dot compact map. Months raw value dot $0, month raw value dot $0, which is convert on this num dot return stInsert, and stInsert which is type of integer. Integer compact map, apply on the compact map integer $0, and apply on this compact map. Cannot find scope result, closure optional. Okay, and now, so this is the components, comma, which is convert on this st strings, array of strings, and array let st is equal to string dot compact map integer, and apply on this $0. Okay, now let str is equal to, suppose this is a 0 1 2 3 4. This is a strings, not a enum. Let enum converted is equal to string into str parent enum converted. Okay, parent is enum converted. This is the type of strings. Okay, sorry, this is type of strings, not a integer. And now run on this value array empty string, empty array. This is not a array. Suppose this is the type of integer and is equal to first index is 0, and now convert on this integer and convert on this integer. This is a convert on this January, February, March, April, May. This converted string. Suppose this converted string which is type of array of month enums, and this convert on the array of string enums, convert on the array of enum, This is a string converted on this array of enums. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.